Hey, Emily, I've been thinking. Instead of heading to the mountains this weekend, how about we go on a road trip to the coast?
Really? That sounds like a refreshing change. Are you sure about changing our destination?
I think it would be a great opportunity to feel the sand beneath our feet and enjoy the ocean breeze.
I'm all for it. The coast offers a different kind of beauty, and I'm excited for a spontaneous adventure.
That's the spirit. I've heard there are some stunning beaches, charming seaside towns, and delicious seafood along the coast.
Absolutely. I'm looking forward to exploring the coastal trails, taking long walks on the beach, and enjoying the coastal cuisine.
Emily, have you ever been to the coast before?
I've been to a couple of beaches, but I haven't fully explored the entire coast. So it'll be a new and exciting experience for me.
That's great. It'll be fun to discover new places together and create memories along the way.
Speaking of memories, any specific activities or places you'd like to visit along the coast?
I've always wanted to try surfing, so maybe we can find a beach with beginner-friendly waves and give it a shot.
That sounds thrilling. I'd love to give surfing a try. Also, I've heard there's a lighthouse with breathtaking views that we could visit.
Excellent idea. Exploring a lighthouse and enjoying panoramic views of the coastline would be amazing.
Oh, and let's not forget about indulging in some fresh seafood. Finding a local restaurant known for their fish and chips would be a must.
Absolutely. We'll keep our eyes open for charming seafood shacks or beachfront eateries where we can savor the flavors of the coast.
I'm getting more excited about this change in plans. It's incredible how a spontaneous decision can lead to new adventures.
I couldn't agree more, Emily. It's the thrill of the unexpected that makes a road trip truly memorable.
Do we have a specific coastal area in mind? Or should we just go with the flow and explore different towns and beaches along the way?
Let's keep it flexible. We can have a rough idea of our starting point and some potential stops, but we can adjust our itinerary based on our discoveries and recommendations from locals.
Sounds like a plan. It's the journey that counts, and we can embrace the freedom of exploring new places at our own pace.
Exactly, it's about enjoying the drive, discovering hidden gems, and creating unforgettable moments together.
I'm ready for an incredible coastal adventure, Adam. Let's hit the road, feel the salty air, and let the sound of crashing waves guide us.
Here's to a memorable journey along the coast. Buckle up, Emily. Our road trip just got more exciting.
Cheers to that. I'm thrilled to be on this spontaneous adventure with you, Adam. Let's make the most of our coastal escapade.